You are a god. You are Superman. You are a living, breathing Merlin. You are creator, superhero, alchemist of the impossible. You are a writer, born at a time when it has never been easier to gather readers or claim the keys to the kingdom. Writers have always held the power to push the planet forward. By cultivating thought, driving action, and stirring emotion, writers are architects of feeling, capable of rendering our collective future a word at a time. Find your voice, amplify your soul, connect with your tribe. Doing so will open doors, shatter the ceilings above you, and help you write the brightest future for you and those you love. You have the power. But as Spider-Man learned early on, with great power, there must also come great responsibility. You owe a debt to yourself and your talents. Teach yourself daily to understand your creative self better and feel the profound gratification of knowing your voice has value. Ignore or embrace your fears. Even the most experienced writers have dealt with fear from time to time. You will too. But never worry you will sound too much like someone else. Your experience gives your voice its rhythm. It is impossible to say all we mean or mean all we say. Meaning is sometimes misty, and thoughts often cruel. But the raw power of language has never been easier to harness. It is the only commodity we all have equal access to, whose value is elevated through consistent exercise, concentrated focus, and purpose met with precision. Magic is in you. Your voice is your wand. Some people will love you, and some people will hate you. Most will be indifferent. But remember, it's those who love you who will help you build a better life. You're as capable of greatness as the best writers out there. Most writers have faced fear and have endured the trials of writing, writer's block, apathy, deficits of time, and dearth of inspiration. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is how they handle these challenges. You can shrink or rise to the occasion. Next time you're trying to sleep, but your ideas are flowing without pause, don't struggle with the faucet. Abandon the sheets and start writing instead. The next time the tundra of a blank page freezes your momentum, get up and get out. Change your environment. Follow the stream of new thoughts. Explore whatever ideas come to you. Then return, breathing the breath of someone who knows they are a god, a superhero, and a magician. Our keyboards are the same. 10 numerals hold infinite combinations. The 26 letters in our alphabet can lead you to infinite possibility. You are already writing. Now is the time to tap what's inside you and create a better life. Rise and fall each day in the remarkable rhythm that comes with knowing your voice has value, and that every day brings you closer to your potential. The future belongs to those bold enough to write it.